Hello, this is my second day in the Ho Chi Minh City, and yesterday when I was on the border with Cambodia I bought pineapple, and the thing is it wasn't good at all because I I got food poisoning and the whole night was very horrible, but now I'm okay and now I'm going to see the Notre Dame de, not de Paris, but Notre Dame de Ho Chi Minh City. This church in Vietnam is quite unusual, and also I'm see the Independence Palace and a lot of interesting things. So, and also I'm preparing my drone for the first flight. So see you. And finally I'm near the Notre Dame de Saigon.